Try this tomato recipe, you surely love it. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. For my new subscribers, welcome to Temi Besot family. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my tomato sauce or tomato stew. So let's get started. Before we proceed in today's video, guys, I need your help. Like, I need your big support. I know you guys have been supporting me from day one of this channel, but please, I need your help. I need you guys to help me get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by March or February. Please, I need your big help by sharing my videos on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere at all in your community. Please, I know if someone come across my channel, they surely love it here. Please, I need your help. I can only beg you guys that you should help your girl by sharing my videos, please, and God bless you as you do that for your girl. Thank you so much. So I'm trying to get my protein ready. I first cut my meat. So this is my fish. I love this whitening fish so much. Like, if you use it to prepare stew, hey, it's a good to go. So I'm trying to wash it so that I can cut it. All right, so I'll cut it to the size I want. You can choose to cut yours more bigger or smaller than this. It depends how you love it. So I always love my even more smaller than this. I don't know why, but I love cutting my fish so small. So I'm going to go on and wash it one by one. Yeah, like if I'm cooking, I always love to let everything clean. If you want to enjoy your fish in your stew or your soup, add a little bit of salt, let it sit for 5 minutes, then fry it. Oh my god, you are going to get another extra taste. Someone said to me the other day, she said she doesn't know that I know how to cook. I was like, I've never shown you my talents. I'm the type of person that if I don't want someone to know what I can do, or if I don't want someone to know me, I will never show you. Unless I see that, okay, I think you deserve to know me. All right, so let's get started. So this is my roast beef. So this is my chopped onions. I'm going to add my salt, garlic powder, and my Maggi. Before, I'm not a fan of garlic, anything called garlic, but now I can never do without garlic powder. The second thing I cannot do without while cooking is black pepper. I don't know, black pepper is so delicious in soup. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, so as I was saying earlier, I decided to be sharing some story with you guys once a while because I forgot the reason why I opened this channel. The reason why we opened this channel is for us to be chatting, cooking, and vlogging. I'm here for you guys as you guys are here for me. Alright, so this is my roast beef and prepared with some seasoning, and I'm trying to fry my fish, cooking my beef at the back. Yeah, so let's get ready and fry our stew. Alright, this is my vegetable oil. I'm going to let it hot for a little minute, then I'll add my sliced red onions. I think I love this red onions. I've been saying I love this red onions every time, almost every time in my videos. You guys should not mind me. If you haven't tried this red onions, go and give it a try. Like, I'm a fan of white onions, but now shift to red onions. Let me tell you guys a short story of myself. I'm not going to lie, I promise. I'm going to tell you guys the truth. I think to detect your talent in this world, you have to try something out. If I tell you guys that I don't learn how to cook, you will say I am lying. When I was with my mom, she always tried her effort to let us know how to cook. But me, I don't want to learn how to cook. This microphone is doing me something. I need to get another one. So I fry my onions. I'm going to add my tomato paste. Yeah, I'm going to use like 3 or 2 tomatoes. So yeah. So as I was saying earlier, when it's time for us to cook, that is when I ran out of the house because of the stress, standing, sitting, cooking, cleaning. I hated it most. But now, see what I am doing. So this is my blended pepper. Guess what? Cooking is my hobby. I really still don't know who taught me how to cook. I was like, okay, I think it's my hobby because if I will do it one day, I won't feel myself. Like, I have to cook anything at all. I have to cook. So I'll let this fry in a low heat. Then I will come back and add my seasoning, my Maggi. I'll taste it if I still need a little bit of salt or no. So this is my Maggi. Then I'll still let it fry in a low heat. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, can you guys see this? Let me tell you guys something. If you want to enjoy your soup, anything you are cooking at all, unless you are preparing jollof rice and what's it called, beans, then you can eye your gas. If you want 5 stars still, prepare your soup this way. It's going to give you what you want. Yeah, low heat, let it be cooking in a low heat, then you will enjoy the outcome. So this is my fried whitening fish, and I'm going to go on and add my beef. If you want to add your fuku, your shaki, your anything at all, add it. You are going to enjoy it. You can prepare your rice, or you can make your pasta, your spaghetti, anything, or your semo. Yeah, you can go and use with your semo, your okra, anything at all. Yeah, I'm going to leave this with you guys. Try to know what you want in life. Don't want what other people want. Sit yourself down and thinking thoroughly. Do I really want to do this? Should I give it a try? With that, I think you are going to dictate your talents. You are going to know your aim in life or in your goal in life. And to achieve your goal, you have to work for it. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye and ciao.